Hello everyone and welcome back to our GeoServer tutorial series. And today we will talk about how do you publish those GeoServer maps on the web, professionally, using Leaflet, and make them production ready? In this full tutorial, I'll show you how to deploy GeoServer using Docker in the cloud, publish WMS services to a Leaflet web app, connect the same server to ArcGIS Pro and QGIS, compare rendering performance, and automate tile caching for real-world speed. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete production-ready GeoServer web publishing workflow. So let's get into it. Step 1. Deploy GeoServer using Docker, production mode. Instead of manually installing GeoServer, we use Docker. Why? Because Docker makes your setup portable, scalable, cloud-friendly. We run the official GeoServer image, expose port 8080. Set a secure admin password. Mount a persistent data directory. Key production features: strong password, persistent storage, open cloud firewall port 8080 or use reverse proxy. Now your GeoServer is running on Oz EC2, Azure VM, or Google Compute Engine. Your WebGIS backend is live. Step 2. Publish GeoServer WMS in Leaflet web app. Now let's publish it to the web using Leaflet. In your HTML, load the Leaflet CSS and JS, create a map container, initialize the map with center and zoom. Then add the WMS layer. Use the WMS endpoint. Inside Leaflet, use ltilelayer.wms. Define layers as workspace layer. Set format to image, PNG. Enable transparency. Leaflet now requests tiles directly from GeoServer. Result: fast raster visualization. Clean web interface. No attribute editing. Perfect for dashboards and public viewers. Step 3. Connect GeoServer WFS to ArcGIS Pro. Now let's test vector capabilities. In ArcGIS Pro, insert, connections, new WFS server. Enter the WFS URL. Load the feature type. This time, you're not loading images. You're loading real vector data. ArcGIS Pro allows editable attribute tables, feature selection, query tools, GIS analysis. Compared to Leaflet, slightly slower loading, much richer interactivity. This shows the difference between WMS and WFS. Step 4. Add WMS and WFS in QGIS. Full comparison. Now let's test in QGIS. First, add WMS. Layer add WMS, WMTS paste URL. Now you get selectable features, editable geometries, full attribute access, spatial analysis tools. QGIS becomes your best testing platform because it supports both services. Step 5. Compare rendering and interactivity across clients. Let's compare everything clearly. Leaflet, WMS raster, very fast. Lightweight, no feature selection, best for public web apps. ArcGIS Pro, WFS vector, full editing. Enterprise workflows, attribute queries, professional analysis. QGIS, WMS plus WFS, fast visualization. Editable features, flexible open source environment. Conclusion: WMS equals fastest for visualization. WFS equals best for editing and querying. Leaflet equals modern web display. Here's the main lesson. Publishing maps is not just about styling layers. Professional deployment requires containerization, secure configuration, service selection, WMS versus WFS, performance optimization, automation. If this video helped you understand publish GeoServer maps on the web with Leaflet, please like and subscribe so it reaches more people.